So still pissing it down. I'm literally soaked through. Bike. So helmet's soaking, I'm soaking, I'm freezing cold as well. So Glencoe to Seiford. So that's where I'm going, Seiford. So it's probably, it'll have taken me 9 hours, but 7 hours of that is riding time. So like 320 miles, something like that. Bloody freezing. Yeah, so I decided to go home. It's not enjoyable in this weather at all. It's rained literally, and when I say rained, it's thrown it down from when I've left Glencoe or Ben Nevis, the base of Ben Nevis, from when I packed the tent up to like now, and I would imagine it's going to continue raining the whole time back to Seiford. So it's about an hour from Seiford, from here to Seiford. I watched one of the videos I made earlier, and I noticed that I said drove. I didn't drive, I rode. Yeah, bike's doing well, but obviously the summer gloves are soaking wet. My jacket, to be fair, my jacket's done well for the main part, but my arms are quite wet. Like my body and that is alright, but obviously when you sat on the seat, the water comes in from, dare I say, your sort of crotch area, and then it's sort of, when it's constant for hours, it sort of then seeps up your trousers and then to your shirt. So it's pretty cold, but I've made my mind up to go home. So 7-hour trip riding, my arse is killing. I definitely need a better seat if I'm going to do long journeys on this bike. I was speaking to a couple of guys in Scotland who said that there are some really good gel seats for them. So yeah, I think maybe I'll invest in a new seat before I do another big journey like this. But all in all, this is probably the worst day I've ever had on a motorbike in terms of weather. So it's windy, it's pissing it down. Sorry, it's raining. Yeah, not the best weather. And the trouble is, when you're on the motorway, you get all the spray from the lorries and all the other cars, and cars seem to think they're clever by pulling in right in front of you. So you get all the spray off them. So yeah, it's not the most enjoyable, but I'd rather come home and at least I've got a warm bed to sleep in tonight than having to set the tent up in the rain again. So yeah, end of the journey, really. I will do another video when I get home, and I'm probably going to do a couple of videos just to sort of review where I've been and what I've done and stuff like that. So yeah, I'll finish my coffee, try and warm myself up. I mean, my hands are wrinkly. Let me see. My hands are wrinkly. It doesn't even work, you know, like the thumb recognition or the fingerprint recognition on your phone. That doesn't work. Doesn't recognise my thumbs on my fingers. I think he thinks it's my toe or something. Anyway, I'll stop rambling. I'm going to go get back on the bike once I've had this coffee, and I'll be home. It's about 8 o'clock now. I'll be home about 9 o'clock. So I will catch you later. Bye.